Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Talking Planets. Today we are going to be talking about the four gas giants. Outside of the asteroid belt, the four gas giants are known to be gas planets or gas giants or giant planets. The first planet we're going to be talking about is obviously one past the asteroid belt, which is Jupiter. So we're going to talk about some of the basic facts about it. So let's get started. So as many people know, Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is also the largest planet in our solar system. It is also the first of the four outer planets. Also, it's past the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Jupiter alone, with Saturn and Uranus, and also Neptune, are made of gas and have no solid surface. So there's no ground on Jupiter or Saturn or Uranus or Neptune. So all this is just gas. It does not have solid ground. There's no solid ground on the planet. So it's just made of balls of gases. Supposedly there is some kind of core inside of the planet that is made of a dense core, but I'll get into that detail later. As many people know, the planets are called gas planets, or they're called giant planets, or they're called gas giants. And also, pretty much people already know about this. Jupiter is so large that it has the strongest gravity of all the planets inside of our solar system. This means that more moons inside of Jupiter's orbit are more likely to get caught, and they're most likely to stay in orbit around the planet. Jupiter has at least 50 moons, and its two large moons are larger than Mercury, which is pretty nice, because Mercury is really small compared to Earth, but Mercury does orbit its own self, so Mercury has no moons, as I mentioned inside of my other video. So people already know about the clouds on Jupiter. The orange clouds blow in one direction while the clouds blow in the opposite direction, which is the other direction. Jupiter has very amounts of radiation that comes from its planet. Jupiter, it's so big that the radiation from Jupiter is amidst all its moons. So if you were to go to Europa, Jupiter covers Europa in so much radiation that most of the ice on the planet is doused in radiation. So supposedly that we have discovered that Europa does have ice and liquid water flowing at the bottom of the surface, because we believe that the planet is getting heat up by this. Jupiter is constantly breaking the surface of Europa because the gravitational pull is so strong, so it makes the planet stretch to the right, causing the planet to heat up as this force is being constantly thrown on it. So science believes that the Great Red Spot, Jupiter, the Great Red science calls the Great Red Spot because this storm has been occurring on Jupiter for a very long time. They said Jupiter has been hit with comets, as mostly recent a comet hit into Jupiter. The comet, it was recorded back in the 1990s, or I believe the 1900s, yeah. Around the 1970s or 80s. I'm not too sure about that, what date it was recorded. So let's get down to the sides of Jupiter. So Jupiter rotates on its side every 10 hours. It spins so fast that it's believing at its quality. It takes nearly 12 Earth years for Jupiter to orbit the Sun. Jupiter is almost 87,000 miles in diameter, and it's about 484 million miles from the Sun. Jupiter has 3 rings. As many people don't know, Jupiter does have 3 rings. These rings are hard to see because Jupiter only has 3. And compared to Saturn, Saturn has thousands. That's why you can see the rings of Saturn. But Jupiter does have 3 rings, just to let people know, so people can understand that Jupiter does have 3 rings. And it gets its name from the Roman king of the gods. I hope you guys... So, as many people know, Europa is a very fun moon. Europa is supposed to be the icy moon of the solar system, like Enceladus on Saturn's moon, Enceladus. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please keep watching my videos. I know I don't have that much views, but please keep watching this video, and hopefully I can make more better videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one of the outer planets. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the second planet.